Welcome back, everybody. So in this class, what I'm just teaching you, basically I just want to teach you about the second thing about the attribute, which is the second important thing of the HTML. So how to use the the attribute, and what are the attributes? Basically, the attributes can have the additional information about our work, about our requirement. For example, we just created a box. We are not creating the box right now, or we just didn't create yet. But for example, just suppose that we are just created a box, and right now I just want to increase its size or its height and width. So I can use the width, height and width attribute that is called the additional information, where I can edit the values, I can add new values, or etc. I can add the background color, I can add the text color, in etc. All these things are called the attribute. So for example, the starting p tag, this is the starting p tag. I'm just adding the attribute here. What is the rule to add the attribute, and how in which type the attribute look like? Basically, there is the starting tag. We can add the attributes in only the starting tags, and in some cases, if we are just using the empty tags, so in the exactly just after the text, and in the starting tags, if the tag has the ending tag too, so in the starting tag, just after the text, add the space. Okay, after the space, add the name of the attributes. So right now I just want to add the title. So the title for this p tag, the paragraph tag, so I'm just adding the title attribute. Okay, attribute, I just put in a single attribute, the title attribute. Now what the value I just want to put inside the title attribute, I can, for example, I can add the text like this, sorry, the p tag. Okay, looking perfect. The p tag, go to the browser, and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing this. Okay, now what the thing is the title. Basically, if I just hover the mouse on the p tag, now you can see the tooltip, the p tag is visible when I just hover the mouse over the text. So this is called the title attribute, and this is the way we can use the attribute. This is the method. Okay, we need to put the space just before the attribute. We need to type the attribute name. Now every attribute, or actually most of the attribute, not the all attributes, okay, some attribute has no value, but most of the attribute has the value. So put the attribute name and then the equal sign, and then put two parentheses, oh sorry, the single or double quotes. You can use the single quote or the double quotes, whatever you prefer, and inside the single and double quote just put the value. Okay, and if you just want to put another attribute, so one thing more, that I can add as much as attributes as I want in a single tag. So I can add the space, and then I can put another attribute too in the same tag, but I'm not gonna put anything just after this tag. So guys, this is the attribute. Actually, we'll learn a lot of things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.